Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And good morning, all the viewers on the voice of Bed Miller. You see, both to my friends and my fans, and last but not least, my enemies. Because I know say some speech I'm gonna make, you know. We gonna gather, we gonna get more enemies. You understand? But as I say, you see me now. I want to tell people one thing. I no fear who can kill my body. Only person me fear who can kill both the body and the soul. And I don't know what that mean already. Because anytime the voice of Bed Miller touch, we can quote a thing from my father Jesus. Can I tell people that Jesus is my father and brother? Because as long as we believe in a Jesus, you know, we're the sons of God, you know. Bounty killer when tell you that, you know. So we are all gods, you know. But me not do no whole pop, no biblical talking right, you know. On the levels. We still have Famata from Bay Beach, a different section of Famata from Bay Beach. You know, see it. When I done, I go circle here, so. There's a part of Famata from Bay Beach. When Mr. Jobson. You see a man, what? We go say Mr. Jobson. Because certain things back, because Mr. Buck, the first time I see Mr. Jobson, but the place, sir. Yes, I did see him. Say one put one Olympic standard football field or so. To keep beach football. So the Jobson have them plans still, but I say I go. Because we can touch fan topic. Enough things I have to talk about. And again, I say I go try myself. I mean, all the while, I say I go try and make a thing be half an hour now. God knows what to do. I want to make things be half an hour. I don't want to chat too long with her. Big up yourself. The Virgin Wave. The printer Virgin Wave tell me. They try to advise me. I say I repeat myself too much on this and that. I mean, get to the point. Because now I realize, say, brother, say, boy, the voice of Bed Miller boy, me and tell us, it a touchy people, let me know, man. That's why right now I feel more, right now I do something right and I feel happy about. You know, see? That's why sometimes I'm not too fussy about, worry about certain things again for the levels. Because one time I love play, sometimes I don't want to take picture again cars more than see again. Because I enjoy this thing upon the levels, you know. Because it's a rich people. Because yesterday, because you're coming a full white, you know, man. It's time, you know. Yeah, man. And I fully add it too. Addy bag. Ali bring back the sign because when you used to want white zip in it, you know, I want black zip. The zip spoil, and I can't get no white zip, and I can't get no black zip. So I just put on, so I just have to put a red zip in it. That means and Ali can adjust it that the red zip can't work. Big up yourself, Ali. A trade man who will survive. Because them young boys nowadays don't want to learn no. They want to learn no trade, they want to do no trade. Ali one of the biggest, big up to all of the tailor man in my Falmouth, like George and the whole man them see me, you know. I want Virgin down below Ali, you know. Mother them sewing them, I do all type of things. The man a trade man. You know, see it? Because we all know say trade is very important to people. Because back in the days when time the people was left out of high school and don't want the bag of subject to go to college and so forth, then got a training center. You see about training, it's same place when it's art place there. A Falmouth training center that back in the days. What Michael Manley they put in place. All who left out of high school, you don't have a trade. You know, see it. I don't get enough subjects. You just go straight to the training center and gain a skill. I believe nowadays, if you want to go art, you have to have subjects. Something like that. I mean, I know true it is. Because you don't know young person that go to school again, know how the art requirement go nowadays. Understand me? And he used to have a training place in when I was born named Cobbler. I believe my uncle said any man used to go Cobbler and I'm sitting, you know, I want training place still. When he left school, sometimes the man was just go learn skill. That's the part of it, you see. So I talk about 2 minutes about them sitting because my main topic right now, I talk about 2 things take place yesterday. Yeah man, 2 things me go yesterday. Because I talk certain things before now. Because I don't want to come to the something again too. You see that one chat about in sports and lifestyle. And the man say me flip flop. You might talk a thing now, and I go back for my word again. But sometimes you have to flip flop, you know. For a reason. Yes, but what I have to say now right now. 2 things take place yesterday. And I post them up on the voice of Bedmiller last night. After me left the PMP, the PMP vibes uptown. I mean, because I come in at night, I'm tired, you know. And this morning I just post up. Yeah man, the Mr. Falloon lecture at the Founders Day. Thing yesterday at Knibb school. What a speech, brother. We're going to touch upon that thing first. And then we can talk about the vibe with Marky G. When we see Marky G, they walk the street of Falmouth. Like when we see Michael Manley used to walk the street of Falmouth. And I say, my God, brother. You know, see it. Let me see another Michael Manley in a Marky G. That's why I see the picture here with Michael Manley and Beverly Manley. Yeah, man. Michael Manley. Yeah, man is a white man. Because Michael Manley is a white man. You know? Mr. Falloon, man, I lied. Mr. Falloon is a white man too, you know. Siaga a white man, you know. Buster Man a white man, you know. You understand me? Yeah, man. You know, see it. I'm real full white this morning. Me not say white, but white no better than black, you know. White are purity, when I say them, you know. Black are strong and power, you know. Black and white combine together, you know. You understand me? So when I talk about white, you know, see, we umbilical black. Because when black people dress up in a white, them look good. But it's not the color of man's skin. It's not the color, you know, or the content of the man's heart. You know, see it? So are the content of Mr. Falloon heart, are the content of Michael Manley heart, are the content of Siaga heart. You know, see it? Are the content of Buster Manley heart, are the content of, you know, see it? You know, see it? Of Mr. William Knibb heart. Because I say, Virgin, when me hear Mr. Falloon, give me the history about, you know, see it, about Mr. Stephen James, the founding father who started Knibb school. Because I never didn't know them things, something there. You see about Stephen James, you know. That's why I say, boy, when I hear about this lecture thing and this, I say, boy, I forgot, I couldn't miss. You understand me? This thing here. I'm going to special visit Mr. Falloon. Because yesterday I step over Knibb school and Pinky see me. Big up yourself, Pinky. My farmer next door neighbor. Bunches, baby mother. The lady walk over Knibb school there. Me know Pinky from your boy. You know, see, Pinky used to live next door me. You see me, you know, I farm everybody know me, you know, brother. Because from your boy, I go everywhere, you know, man. My mother no shackle me, you know. I go everywhere, you know, as a little boy, you know. You know, see it. So big up yourself, Pinky. Because when Pinky see me yesterday, boy, I say, brother, you can't dress, you know, brother. You know, see it. Go on to your half a foot, your half a foot pants. I'm going to tell Pinky, say, boy, Pinky, you know, see, we can't dress with the cut off foot pants today, man, because Mr. Falloon the boat. The comfy, see Mr. Falloon, say, I have to just dress away. Yeah, man. Because back in the days, you know, man, same time I used to, and Knibb school first me got bus, and Knibb school first me bus all me So when time Missy Elliott start bust all the long and the short foot pants them, thing track suit them. Me bust them thing a long time. Because me bust the thing there and Knibb school back in the days. When time I used to jog up on Knibb school compound. In my school uniform. And I have one foot of the something there. The long foot in the seat. The long foot represent boyhood. And the short foot and represent. No, the long foot represent manhood. Yeah man, the man thing. And the short part, yeah man represent. Yeah man, the boy thing. Yeah man. Because when we used to go, this team is the school, so we wear short pants. When we start high school, we wear long pants. Yeah man, so the long part of the pants, yeah man, represent my high school days. The short part of the pants still represent. Yeah man, my infant school days and so forth. I saw me jog. I saw that's me weird and wear me them style back in the days. And Knibb school first me bus it, you know. Bus it in Knibb school, me nah forget, you know. When Miss Lee see me time in night, Miss Lee laugh. You see Miss Lee, boy, I may tell you brother. That's why you can't talk, boy, the vine just today. Me I go book up Atterwin Lee yesterday. Atterwin Lee, Atterwin in the street. Mrs. Lee, what do you call her, stepdaughter, you know, because I know Mrs. I was born and I know say Atterwin, father and Miss Lee in the seat. And Miss Lee husband. I mean Atterwin and I see him 9th grade. Come see her yesterday and we take pictures. It was a wonderful enough past two never did the still, but past two then did the still, but to the magnitude of past two never say, but all what did yesterday was well represented. Because I'm glad to see Atterwin. Because I asked her, I was 9th grade. Because I Atterwin when I same class at school and we didn't even know. Same class. But Atterwin when he said me in a 10 business. I'm tell Atterwin said no, at 10 agriculture we did go. And 9th grade me and she with it. She may ask her, I wish when I 9th grade. Because when you were still fine, you have 9-1, supposed to 9-5. You see the Atterwin tell me say I did 9-4. So yes, because I go clarify certain things. Because when you have a content on your thing, you know, you have to know how you give out a speech, you know. See yesterday when I say in the content, when I talk about my days and I say me the brightest boy in the 9th grade. When I say me the brightest boy in 9th grade, you know. That means me was the brightest boy in the entire 9th grade classes, you know. He was the brightest boy in a 9-4. 9-4. So I want to get this thing clear. 9-4. And the brightest boy in a 10 agri. Because in a 9-4, but midterm become third. Midterm become third and inner term become third again. Yes. Because the Atterwin in a 9th grade, because the Atterwin did come second. And one girl did it when in Claudia. Remember that last name? Because Uncle 3 Claudia last name, I remember in school. You know. 2 Claudia, 3 Claudia I didn't know. We were there in school. Yeah man, you have the same Claudia when in 9th grade with it. And you have Claudia Sinclair in a seat. Claudia Sinclair, whatever matter be. That's a Grayson sister. And Papa used to work on King Boss sister. In popular girls there back in the days. Claudia Sinclair and you have Claudia Ramsey. You see it. Yeah man. My high school crush. So I not told debate upon that still. But what me I say, brother? Yes, you see, in a 9-4, when I jump on a Knibb, I talk about it yesterday still now, but I want to go back into some more details. When we jump in a 9-4, man, fan states, man, I pay in the top 10, you know. I pay girls coming in the top 10, you know. Because me a man like Bubbler, Beachy, Bolvin, the whole away. You know, see it. I want you. Some of the man, I can't remember the man them still, but there was a nice class still. You understand me? You know, see it. And we go, when we go to 9-4, you know, see it. And me break the spell. Me the first boy, if you come in the top 3, both midterm and inner term. And me move on to 9th grade and going on. Come me tell you something. Back in the same 9th grade there, when you come on to 9, you have some youth who's in a 9, becoming in the, you go near them man there. You see the 9, see my 9th grade botany school, you have some man one brother named Carl Archer. The man that bright out of this world. The same Carl Archer, I am control the Seventh-day Adventist movement right now. You have one next youth in a 9th grade, what's his name? Andrew Lee. The man that bright is a shame. The man that brightest man in the 9th grade. In the entire 9th grade. The man Carl Archer. Enough time I woke up Carl Archer, you know, and I invite me over to the 7-day church thing. Then, so. I'm going to visit the 7-day church. I soon start God. You know, see, you see, I like where I notice on the Monday. Because I see where I notice come on. Where I notice when I see 9th grade, you know. Where I notice I control Jamaica Church of God thing. Church of God. Churches them, you know. Because I see where I notice come on. Allen High School 28th function. A Baptist church. I went and say where I know this put on a speech, me I tell you better. Come and tell us something, people. That's why Sean talk all the while, you know. See Sean Van this was a bright man that you know. You have some bright man come out of Knibb school, you know, normal, you know. Respect to Westwood High School and Falloon High School, you know, man. We have some you have a youth name Pat Tomlinson. Come Mr. Pat Tomlinson still alive, same way. And they are told because I Attaway yesterday. Yesterday Attaway tell me say boy is a Pat. Yeah, I say it's Julian Tomlinson at Kingston in there. Because Julian Tomlinson and Julian when I see him 9th grade. Them girls when I see him 9th grade. So I tell you that brother. You have some me tell a man say. You have some bright people come out of the school, you know, normal. Extraordinary, me I tell you know, normal. So when you hear say ignorance enslave and knowledge liberate, me I tell you brother. That's why yesterday, when time in the function, you know, I have to just sit down and just quiet, you know. Because I want to get up and make a speech, you know. And I tell you, I want thing I say, because I want thing I tell, because who want to watch is watch. I tell you, say, you see the lecture, when Mr. Falloon put on the Baptist people and Baptist Union people when they live stream it. That's why when they live stream it. Because I like live stream function and people function, and it's make the permission for live stream it. So when I authorize to live stream it, so when I live stream it, you know, see, I'm just going to go video it straight normally because you know, you know, see, when I stop it none at all. For the thing start, you know, see it. Because for Mr. Knowles, you see, I see Mr. Burge, Mr. Knowles, I see Mr. Knowles again, brother. The man put on weight. The man, I'm glad to most of the man them in them Christian organization I go and live there. Because Mr. Knowles, because I figure when time Mr. Knowles I put the school magazine together. And me and Mr. Knowles, I mean take all their class pictures them. They hear them in the seat. Big up Mr. Knowles. See the man there again, the man they look healthy and look well. You see the brother was introduced Mr. Falloon, Mr. Leng, the man me I tell the man put on, me tell the man say, with it amongst them people there, you can't get up and try to chat. Me have to just sit down and watch. Because even when Mr. Leng get up and ask Falloon the question and certain things. And the people, when time Mrs. Jackson go talk, you know, see it, and the people them come and go, come and want, when Fifi go, come and go talk, you know. Come and go tell Mr. Falloon, say, boy, I say, are you coming in the me just, me go try, because, a matter of fact, yesterday, when time I meet Mr. Falloon, Mr. Falloon say, you see it, he said to Mr. Falloon, say, remember me, Mr. Boss? Yeah, man, because you know, say, you know, I remember everybody, you know, I say, boy, I'm me, Bed Miller. You destroy Cornwall and you big up my name in the devotion. And Mr. Falloon start laugh. Yeah, man, him start laugh. You know, see it? Come and go get up in the function, you know, and try to bring up back that, you know. So, boy, I just thank him for giving me the name Bed Miller. Because if I give me the name, I feel so proud and I feel so honored in a devotion in the morning when you really show down praises for me, for my performance. I go get up and say it in the meeting yesterday. Just like I go, just like I want to get up in a sucker thing the time there and make a speech. But boy, me can't, me don't like talking in public. Me not like, me not the strength and energy to talk in public. Me talk big and bold wide, you know. In my space, in my medium. Understand me? You know, so I'm going to make this a content of 2 parts, the one about Mr. Falloon and the one about Mark G. I'm going to do Mr. Falloon one for about half an hour. And then I talk about the reason why I'm going to talk about Mark G. And I'm going to post between them a morning early. So I can't ever think on one content. Because I go too long. But as I mentioned, I continue with Mr. Falloon. So I want who right then I post it on the device of Bed Miller. Who never know nothing at all about Stephen James. And now I'm going to learn about Mr. Stephen James. Because we to talk about the boy, Knibb school name will change to all the Usain Bolt High School. But no way, brother. Take back that speech there. Big up to Bolt, you know. Big up to Bolt. Big up to Bolt. Come soon touch from fin topic, you know. Come soon start burn some fire upon him too, upon a certain level, you know. But Mr. go on easy. Bolt are my boss, you know. Only thing I say about with Knibb and Bolt now, a statue of Bolt you can put over Knibb. And a sports academy, no, a sports complex can put over Knibb backyard and name it for Bolt. That's all. That's all I want. If you happen for you to see it, if you be the honor. You understand me? You want to be the honor. For Bolt and memory of Bolt. But no, yeah. No. You see the name William the By School? If you want Mr. Stephen, because even one who watch the thing, it's when the man get up and because I'm say the man make the ask the question and I tell Mr. Falloon say this man is Stephen James in a dying bed. No. Those in the dying bed. In a sick state. The man is sickly and all him sitting in bed. And the man still have in mind for the school. Go and put the school together. You know, see it. So I did see the reason why them call the auditorium Stephen James Auditorium. But the man, you see, but the man yesterday, the man when as like him I said today, the man is saying in such a way, say boy, Knibb school should have named after Stephen James. That basically what the man put forward. If one next lady go up with that the same thing. You understand me? If you want Mr. Stephen James, come up and know say I'm Mr. Stephen James idea. You know see it. Where the school start from. You know see it. Enough things Mr. Falloon talk about the history of Mr. Stephen James, the founder. Because you all have one book about the 50th, about Knibb school 50 and so forth. But try, I know we can't get no time to buy the book and try to read the book because the time to read right now, but as I say, because if you want knowledge, you have to go read and learn certain history. Because it was a history class we go yesterday. It was a history lecture. So all the group and students who never know about the history of Stephen James in a seat. So if Para, Bobela, the whole of it, dumpling, the whole of Uno, but Uno never in a seat, and know about the works that Stephen James do. We put Knibb School in a seat. We take Knibb School from Market Street to the present site, Carib Road, Martabury. If you go, you can buy the book because them promote the book. Pants of yesterday. If you know but you can get some little teachings and some little by listen to the something there. By listen to the thing I post up. Me title it in a seat. Mr. Falloon, Founders Day Lecture 2025. And that's going to be me and the vice of Bedmiller. So who never know about the history of Mr. Stephen James in a seat. Anybody, if William Knibb School name will change in a seat, if it change to Mr. Stephen James name, Stephen James High School, me I tell her that. So, because I say you no you saying about Stephen James High School, the school name will change. Because this thing is education, brother. It's ignorance. It's a hell of a thing, you know, I'm telling you, joke business. I'm glad to know, say, boy, yes, you know, all that bright, you know. They're my best, you know. But when I go to high school and there was no father, you know, man. I'm telling you people, no father, you know. You know, see, just a little young lady, you know. One name is Tesla man Graham, you know. The first pity for son Graham, you know. Because no for no Falmouth, I just say no me bitter in my yard right and no for no people in Falmouth see my mother no Graham, you know. Or my mother Thomas, you know. But me no know Willie Thomas, you know. Me don't know son Graham, you know. That's why I big up Uncle Jimmy, you know. And big up Uncle Zay, you know. You know see it? And big up Uncle Bass, you know. You know see it? And all my uncle them, you know. You know see it? Uncle Metic. You know see it? Yeah man. Uncle Lenny dead. But Uncle Raggy. Uncle Raggy. Not to mention me auntie them. You know see it? Auntie Ayo, Auntie Ivan, Auntie Pat. The whole of son Graham generation. And my mother the first put for son Graham. And me shall ever be a son Graham, you know see it? That's why I say a land of Graham. I go write my heart a biography. Because Mr. Falloon say, Mr. Falloon teach us yesterday and say, boy, we have a dream. And me have my dream and my inspiration. You know see it? Enough dreams me have. You know see it? But what a lecture Mr. Falloon put on yesterday. That's why Sean saying couldn't miss it for nothing. I'm not big up catfish. Because certain they go on and they been on to you know see, been on to know where they go on. Yes. Me I tell you. So me I tell you no. So me I tell the people them. If you know, say yes. Because I'm my mother. I'm Mrs. Lou. That a Sina Bones grandmother. That a Master mother. I'm Mrs. Lou and my mother. Help me to when I go William the by school. You see, I'm a 10 grade, I study for my exam. I have to study under home sweet home lamp. I have no light in my yard, nothing in my yard, no water, nothing in my yard. I say, man, you know, see me go on. We go right We go get come here, most time defend my history, you know, and my dreams, you know. Come Mr. Falloon says, so if you have a dreams, if you have a dream, you know, so we never go dream about no. Because people say they have dream about them. We go play in a lotto and all them sitting there. But he never use lotto. He was pick up power and all them sitting there and I see, yeah man, and chop on and all them sitting back in the days. But I don't want no lotto dream for the 7. But I don't want no dream about no lotto. But some man dream the lotto, no man go make the money over them things still and they want us. But come here, I say, brother, I don't need dreams, brother, and inspiration. Never too old, you know, brother. But I tell you all of all, because right now, all of all never did the lecture yesterday. We put it up on the voice of bed, brother. So my sister now used to work over Egg Primary School. You know, see, Rosie, yeah, man, I'm going to send the thing to you. I'm going to send the thing to Bernie. So I'll Bernie, when I missed a lecture yesterday, Bernie, and now I know the history of Stephen James. I know the reason why they were named the auditorium after the first Knibb School Olympian and change it back to Stephen James Auditorium. The school can still remain the name of William Knibb. Because big up to Mr. Big up. Come tell you something. Big up all the white man them who fight against slavery. All the white man them who press and help black people to get knowledge in the seat. And educate and get education in such a way. And big up all the black man them. Me say because we don't know about the great black man like Martin Luther King and Marcus Garvey, the whole man there, you know. And Nelson Mandela, you know, because I follow and tell about Nelson Mandela and all them sitting there. They say, is that the colour of one's skin? At the heart of the man them, heart of the great man them, the great black man them and the great white man them who stand up against the devil. Because the devil and the world leaders them nowadays. I mean, I call no world leaders name again because I don't want no community strike. I don't want him ban me off because I get one strike already. Because I go touch upon certain things. That's why I don't talk about the thing there again. I don't talk about them thing there again. Because I want me content mistake. I'm a different man in Babylon, you know, brother. I go very different, you know, and so forth, you know. It's all me are telling you, say, brother. It's all who went there at the lecture yesterday. Because some things that Mr. Falloon, I never know. I go learn. Because I must always attack. Talk about for the glorious days of Knibb School in a football. Because I know say, in a free time, you know. In a free time, the football rise, you know. But yesterday I didn't know say Knibb School win Western boys and girls champs before me go Knibb. And Knibb School must have come 6 in the girls them. Because I didn't hear Knibb School when come 4th, you know. A girls champs, you know. Because I know so with Audrey Steele and girls, the whole of compound girl them used to go to Knibb School. I know say because yesterday I know say because Mr. Falloon they give you the history now. I must say when they said the second chairman or the next man. I don't remember what the other man name, Pana Levis. But the 2 persons Mr. Falloon talk about. But when the other man took over the school, the chairman with the school, and I work along with Mr. Falloon and start telling about the achievement of the man there. Is just doing the man the time. Me and talk say, when I hear Mr. Falloon say, Knibb School win Western boys and girls champs doing in time there. At first I don't know that. But I know that Knibb School we have so much talented one like John Senti and Duffus and Marlon Stevenson, whole of people them used to. I tell you. Because Knibb School sports you used to keep over center. Over center, me watch when John Senti and Duffus clash. Over center when me speak out about and people against me because me speak out say boy Mike Centerland was down here for sports and two people have center land, I use animal pony and cattle pony, and I speak out against it, and people in a seat. And people don't like me for that. But I don't give a damn anymore. Because the land of Elixton Wakeland Youth Center was donated for sports, not for the rearing of cattle. Sports. Cattle is raising a Vanzi land. A Vanzi land is a raise cattle. You see it? So if the government of Jamaica about PMP and GLP, who want to raise cattle, then carry the cattle, then carry the animal, go Vanzi land, go find somewhere about the place. I mean, they go raise them cattle pan, animal in pan. The land of Elixton Wakeland was donated for sports. Not for no raise no cattle, and not for no place for no homeless. Not for no homeless place. And not for build no fowl farm pan it. For no homeless people go raise fowl pan the man land. The man land was designated for sports. And that me not talk about. That's what me talk about, but me not in a seat. You understand me? Me not vote again if they not correctly wrong. But Elixton Wakeland land. But me go vote. I have to vote. I mean, I switch my topic. Me have to vote, you know, brother. Because me in this struggle too. Because no bastard pit in there again. And it's a bastard pit here. In a seat. Charles Anthony Miller. In a seat. George Miller first bastard pitney. Me a George Miller first bastard pitney. Me a George Miller. This is a son of George Miller. And the first son of George Miller who born out of wedlock. I believe some of the first pitney for George Miller. Who George Miller get when he married. That's why I was invited them and see. Show me, hey. Lando, me not speak out certain things, Lando. Lando, you go write me autobiography. Suku say me go be a legend. I don't know what Suku says certain things. Me I live different amongst the people in Brighton, you know, brother. Me I keep to myself, you know. I want to keep my circle small as possible. Better man say me a madman. But me prefer be a madman more than live in a corruption. Me prefer be a madman, but me not want to run garbage pan. Me not need to run the garbage pan. Because my two article friends them. If you not PMP and GLP, who not going to support me? Because I have real friends out there, PMP friends and GLP friends. Because PMP and GLP can't divide me. Because me forever be Michael Manley Pitney. The reason why me and Michael Manley Pitney, because this is a picture with Michael Manley and Beverly Manley. I started this is a picture with Michael Manley and Beverly Manley. Did you see in my mother's house? Blew up and frame. Because my mother love Michael Manley. Just like how Shana Van D'Souza said yesterday, boy, I find my boy. He might work with him man for PMP. You know, see, we love Michael Manley, we love PMP. Who want love GLP, they love GLP. We love PMP for a reason. This is a democratic country. You can vote who you want to vote for. You love who you want to love. You know, here GLP people them. You know, see it. We just a bun fire upon the devil. Because the love of money is the root of all evil. I mean, I want to talk about that money right now. I talk about my Knibb school thing right now. It gone over half an hour, brother. So when me speak out, I didn't say me ain't go vote, you know, because I've set the condition, you know. But, you know, see, I mean, I flip-flop. The reason why the much touch me go close by saying, because me come not attack. Who never did the Mr. Falloon lecture yesterday, who don't need to watch it. Who don't know the history of Stephen James, and who don't know the history of Knibb School, move from Market Street, you know, see it, down to Carib Road, Martabray. So all on the past student and Knibb, who don't know the history, the most touching part of it, can we go close, because enough time Mr. Falloon saying go close. And in final speeches and in final this, and Mr. Falloon still attacks same way. The most touching thing at the lecture yesterday And when Mr. Falloon said, they tell about the history of Stephen James. And you want, because when the school must have started with all them things I never know, 40 students, 20 boys in a seat, and 21 girls. Because them time there, I went on one high school there. I went on one high school there Chilane. And it was Westwood High School, Westwood with girls. And Stephen James wanted, I be some boy school, Stephen James they want in a seat. We want build. We want put together. But end up with boys and girls. You know, see, at the most touching part of the lecture what touched me and say, boy, oh, me have to vote for PMP. And when the man, or Mr. Falloon say, when time Mr. Stephen James want a new place for the school, you understand, because yeah man, the first place from Market Street, Falmouth, in a state went too small and the school expand and they want a property. And when in the book, I think Mr. Falloon out they get the lecture from, because I even know them sitting there. The man say, and when the change of government in the 1970s, because when they want a place to bring the school go in a seat, the government before the 1972 government, PMP government, the government before that, a lele, now help Mr. Stephen James. And he said, and when the government changed 1992, no, when the government changed, you see though, when the government changed 1972, I'm going to repeat it again. When the government changed 1972, and who was the Prime Minister in 1972? He said when the government changed 1972, Mr. Desmond Lake become MP at Chilane. And Mr. Desmond Lake in the seat become MP. Because when the government changed, you know, man, and Michael Manley and the Prime Minister, you know. And when the government changed when they changed the government, you know, man, and Desmond Lake is a full speed ahead, you know, man, and then get the property at Caribou Road, you know, man. That's how when Mr. Falloon talk about Mr. Desmond Leakey and talk about his son. His son was my name Mark Leakey when I go down Mark Leakey when part of the kids them. We march from Market Street. Cause they march from Market Street, go straight to Caribou Road, you know. Yeah man, in the present Knibb school right now, you know. Built by Michael Manley, you know. Built under Michael Manley government, you know. And when time Desmond Leakey. Because you see it's a Desmond Leakey not do nothing on the levels. But that Desmond Leakey push it for the school for bill. Desmond Leakey, Mark Leakey, father. Because when time Mr. Falloon a big up Desmond Leakey, and I turn the camera upon Mark Leakey. Turn the camera upon Mark Leakey. Because I know Mark Leakey. I know Desmond Leakey, and I know Mark Leakey. But you when you live at 14, just after the term going at 14. I know where Mr. Desmond Leakey used to live. I know Mark, I know Tony, I know Dan Leakey, and I know their sister, I know Dan, who Mr. Neverglanville, I know they married, but Dan having a daughter, Mr. Neverglanville. So I know the whole of the history. Because I got Mark Leakey, Mr. Leakey yard. Because I know Tony Leakey and D. White and him Monday. You see don't Mark Leakey, don't Mr. Leakey yard. Right at the beginning of 14 there. And when Mr. Falloon say, big up Mr. Desmond, when you start big up Mr. Desmond Leakey, you know, and he gonna make a wrong statement and say, my soul rest in peace, because Mr. Falloon don't believe that Mr. Desmond Leakey dead. Just like how me they believe that Mr. Desmond Leakey did dead too. Because when I come back from I see Mr. Leakey Me shock when me see Mr. Leakey. Me shock when me see Mr. Leakey. For the funeral. For the funeral. That a bull the man, you know, say, yeah man. Me tell them on the knuckle generation them. And when time I say Mr. Leakey, for the funeral, I say, well, I think Mr. Leakey still alive. Me did feel say, Mr. Leakey did pass off. Just like Mr. Falloon the feel say, I see it. And when the people them start correct Mr. Falloon, say, oh, I was sorry and this and that. Yes, Then me I tell you brother, at the part of the lecture, move me and say, boy, oh me in the struggle too. Me non-stop vote for PMP party. If you don't want to hate me, no hate me. You know, see it. That's why more time I taking a girl on social media and a white man going on. I'm going to tell you about the history of the PMP and the GLP, them, you know. The two, or the founders, them, you know. I'm a white man they give me some issue. I tell you how the Jamaican Labour Party, how they deal with education and all them sitting, you know. That's why the girl upon social media and call her a white mango. That's why them trying to bring her down. So me know say they go try to bring me down. Me know that because we start speak out certain things. So this is one me go sign off now. Me go do another content about when we see Mark G yesterday. Come let me talk about Mark G on certain levels. I might talk briefly upon it, but we depend long upon Mr. Falloon. The lecture, Mr. Falloon lecture yesterday. In a seat. And when the time, because when you see Mr. Stevens just struggle to get land and property for the schools. And when you see when Michael Manley coming up power and the government change and Desmond Leakey in a seat. So all you know, it's the blessed Knibb school right now. We had the history of Knibb school and the struggle of Knibb school. And Mr. Falloon say if you have dreams. My dreams is try to work towards, before me close, big up the St. Elizabeth Technical High School, my first alma mater. Mrs. States win D.Cup in a seat. Oliver Shield, Ben Francis Cup in a seat. Headley Cup, Sparling Cup in a seat. Western Boys and Girls Champs in a seat. Mrs. States winning. I mean, have all of them, capture all of them in a picture. But my dream now, you see, if you see my second alma mater, Knibb now play cricket again, so I can't talk about cricket. On the levels. But I love to see Knibb win the Costa Cup. I don't want to talk about, if they want to start out by winning the Ben Francis Cup, that's nice. I want to see Knibb win the Costa Cup. My dream now, if you see Knibb win the Costa Cup, Oliver Shield, and lift Western Boys and Girls Championship again. It's not gonna easy, you know. It's not gonna easy. It's not gonna easy, but we can have the dreams. If it happen. Big up to States, always big up to States. But me back on my yard now. I'm going to try to play a part with Mr. Victor Wright. Because Mr. Victor Wright. Because the only thing I tell people say, you see him, me always call him Victor Wright. Why you tell him, why me always call him Victor Wright, you know? Because you can't, when him Linville, I always call him Victor Wright. But Mr. Wright, our Linville Wright, he want him. Where say the virgin name, Mr. Wright? The man, me say any principal, me can't talk. Can me want to close off, you know? Any principal in a seat. What destroy Clarendon College and States in a seat. What beat Clarendon College and States in a 2017 schoolboy football is a good principal. He just want him, he just want the support. He just want the support. Mr. Wright, you see there at Knibb School there. And big up Mr. Miles. Big up Mr. Miles. To give me certain information. And when I tell Mr. Miles, I go boycott Western Champ, Mr. Miles said, don't boycott it. I'm not going to boycott Western Champ because of the sake of Mr. Miles. Because if I see that gentleman named Mr. Miles touch Knibb School, when I got Western Champs last year, I first ever see a bus load of Pitney. A bus load of Pitney take part of Western Champs last year down the States there. And then I come up back with. And then I travel with one bus load of Pitney. And if you telling the Falmouth people, in that bus load of student them, what we represent Knibb, a Western Champs last year, if you can't count 3 Falmouth Pitney night, you have to give thanks. The Uncle Falmouth girls, in the bus load, I want tall girl what live down on Cemetery Road. What live over City them, what live over I miss spot them yard and all, it's one tall girl. She had the only girl we see from Falmouth. And I want bus load of one of them big old bus load of Pitney there. Same like our state's big bus and man and the big bus them when you see the same big bus what the boys them travel go play down a stage. The same big bus, the big coaster bus them. The big Knotford bus them. And them bus at the bus load of Pitney there. Because I got Western Chance over the years and the coaster bus they carry Pitney them. But from Mr. Miles come back and in a seat. Me watch Western Champs all the while. And Knibb School never do nothing. And I go support Mr. Miles. So I go boycott Western Champs. But I go travel with Knibb. And I go take Knibb picture them pictures see me and States picture them pictures see me. Because I always go take States and Knibb. No matter what, I have to take States picture them and Knibb picture them. But I Knibb I go travel with now. Because Mr. Miles say, boy, I can come with the Knibb side in the team. In a seat. Just like come to travel with States, go GC faster. In the digital Grand Prix. And take Nigel Ellis and shot on the wall of them. And Stacy and win some Harris and the wall of them. Yeah, man. And Knibb. Come just tell Mr. Miles, Mr. Miles, boy, I say GC faster nearer to Falmouth than States. So early in the morning, I'm going to move out with them. In a seat. I wish all the school. So I go, so I feel I'm going on States invitation. I feel I'm going on States invitation. But I got the qualifying one at States. Western Champs are my thing. Because I can't go big champs. When I can't go big champs, go take picture unless I work with them school and I can't end up on the track. Because I have to be passed. Because if Knibb School want me to travel with them, I have to get some pass and some documentation on the levels. So I can come like on no sporting event gate. I'm having no whole argument with people. I want to show me ID and pass them. I'm willing to support Knibb School, you know. In all means necessary, you know. Because I plan for live streams all this track meet. I don't take no bag of action picture. I can't take pictures still more and live stream it. So all the people, all the foreigners them overseas can see. The Jamaican people them I perform at tracks time now. Can I go live stream all the sports day them. I live stream, I go live stream. Can I come to bike school sports this year? I mean I work for bike school this year. I come live streaming, because you can't stop me from live streaming. Because sporting event. I don't do nothing wrong. If I want to take 2 pictures and medal presentation, I take 2 pictures and medal presentation. I'm not going to hear primary sports day, infant sports day and live streaming, Holland sports day and live. Every sports day I'm going to go live stream. Because I go live stream Western Champs. But I tell Mr. Miles yesterday and said alright. So all on the diaspora who only can watch Western Champs when the buy Bed Miller. Yeah man, only can so we go sign off now because you're going to almost an hour right now. Tomorrow I want next time to talk about Marky G. Only thing I can say about Marky G, yesterday only can say the PMP thing for my thing too. Can I post it up on the Vice of Bed Miller because a person come to me and say Esco say want to see what I go on. And I do it for Esco, article PMP youth. So all the PMP people them who want to see what take place at the campaign thing. I just video the function part of it. The video look part of it. Let's look at video clippings. When I do one time market they walk the road. I'm glad just put it on my status. I just see what you hear me better, I'm going to sign off for them because it's almost an hour. I no flip flop in a better, but me in the struggle too. This bastard Pitney in a seat. My father George Miller was the richest black man in a seat. In a Chilani. Good businessman. I love my father, you know. Can I tell you say you have some rich man, both PMP rich man and JLP rich people, them go and breed up the people the woman them and then take care of the Pitney them. When they married, them do what they want do. And that's with the woman them back in the days. The same thing I go on now, same way. Breed them up and then take care of them and left them with Pitney. And the people them have to struggle for mine, the Pitney them. My mother struggled for mine, me. And my father was the richest man, when the richest man at Trelawny. I don't talk about party him associate with, because the whole I want to know which party George Miller support. But that is George Miller lifestyle, and my father, I love my father the same way. When I in Knibb school, I'm here about my father George Miller. I want to be like, that's true, Mr. Lando, you have to go write my autobiography. Enough things that people want to know. So people do want to know, say, if me used to fuck bed, then go know that. In my autobiography, I have my dreams. One day my life story, I got written like how Jesus' life story written down and put down in our history. So they're going to know everything about me. When me tell me life story. I mean, I wait me die in bed. You see? So I land I'm going to write my life story. My cousin. 21 subjects him have. A past student at Knibb and a past student at St. Diego. Land so bright, you can't pay land so easy, because you're so educated. Son Graham generation. I mean, I sign off, you know, say, Son Graham first Pitney. Teslin Mad Graham. I sign off, you know. Teslin Mad Graham also. Because I say I'm a madman, you know. I say, Teslin Mad Graham, who did love Michael Manley. So I can't, you see it. So I have the blood of my mother in me. Teslin Mad Graham. This is a picture with Michael Man and Beverly Man was a blow up and put in my house. So when you see me, who no want to give me no work, I don't give a damn about you, you know. Me will survive. Because my true friends in me walk the street as a madman, they go support me. Me now preach politics, me preach love. And fight for the land of Jamaica. Because Jamaica no own Jamaica again. Jamaica run by big up to the Chinese and the Japanese. Out of many one people. Out of many people, one people. That's why Kimani say all for one for all. A different bed mill and I go see. I chum, me not in a talk. Big up yourself, Mr. Falloon. You couldn't miss it for nothing. You give me a lecture yesterday. Learn about the history of my school. That's why I don't want no school name off now Usain Bolt. I want the school name off. If the name of the school got changed, I must to Stephen James. To Stephen James High School. With the man upon him sickly bed. Sickly bed the man upon. And the man at the time about one the school for strive. So any only one name the school to Stephen James, I no problem. Me learn about Stephen James yesterday. What a stalwart of a man that brother. Any man what dig of education. Can I say? Me was the brightest boy in a 9-4 and the brightest boy in a 10 agree. Because in a graduation, because I talk about all graduation and all them seen in a Knibb school graduation, me go up on the platform and receive one agricultural book. And Tete take me picture. Tete take me picture. And I take my agricultural book, give a friends of mine one long time ago. My agricultural book, one agricultural book me get to become, he said, become second in a 10 agree. When you can't take that from me. So they can go down on the school archives and school archive and know about Bed Miller. The brightest boy in the 9th floor. Not the entire 9th grade. Because the brightest boy the most in the 9th grade was in a seat. Was Andrew Lee and Carl Archer. Big up yourself, Carl Archer. And you run the Seventh-day Adventist movement. Big up yourself who I notice. And you run the Church of God. The whole of us go to Knibb school together. Knibb school, the ignorance enslaved and knowledge liberate, produce some of the brightest scholars them in a seat. In a Jamaica. Some of the brightest, me I tell you that. Mr. McDonald, son of a Mr. McDonald, have his son must a doctor. Halton McDonald for your son a doctor. Or some bright people come out of the school, no normal, me I tell you better. You see the one Shana Van D'Souza him? Shana Van D'Souza used to mark CXC papers, you know. And the one shot Shana Van D'Souza, you see me, man. That's why me put the picture with me and Shana and Mr. Falloon. Shana Van D'Souza wedding. And the first wedding me go and shed tears. Big up yourself, Sean. Big up yourself, my general. You see it? Big up for believing in me and respect me and took up a number 16 jersey. Then your kids, them wear the number 16 and boy John me feel when they go couldn't wear it. For Monroe. You're a past student and but you say no kids being gone man, you have a reason why you do your thing. You take education serious. Principal of Porton Academy. That are my close brethren. You may say I don't trust people. I know who me trust. I know who me can trust. Because I can give mine back to Shana Van D'Souza. And I can give mine back to Anthony Gag. I can give mine back to Anthony Gag's garden. And I can give mine back to my 3 boy pity them. Soko. Big up yourself, Soko. And one love. Because how this thing I go to. People go watch it. How it I go to. How it I go to. 1 hour now, I'm going to sign off. I'm going to sign off. Probably one next day I touch upon Mark G and the thing. But when I take place a farm yesterday, I want to hear Mr. Falloon talk about the change of government 72. I saw go to Knibb school, get the property by Desmond Leakey. With Michael Manley coming up power. And forever be a PMP because of Michael Manley. Yeah. I mean out now because of Michael Manley. I shall forever be a PMP. And MMP Michael Manley Pitney. In a seat. In a seat. I go take place yesterday. MMP Michael Manley Pitney. I go stand firm. I'm not go boys. I'm not go Western champs. But the qualifying and the final at GC, the qualifying states and the final at GC faster. In a seat. I mean, I say Mark G, walk Falmouth Street, walk commentator like Michael Manley. Me, I have to vote for PMP and go forever vote for PMP. No matter what. Me forever vote for Michael Manley. Who want vote for GLP to feed them business? Me forever vote for PMP. So who want hate me, hate me. Michael Manley Pitney. Okay.